Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So many of us are worried about Instagram growth in 2022. Most of the page, even mine page, a few days back, what is happening? The growth, I mean, it's very down. We are not getting new followers. I mean, our followers are stuck in same places. So what happened, like the Instagram algorithm has completely changed in 2022. Okay, before it was Instagram was a photo sharing application, but now Instagram is a reels sharing application. So what will happen, if you will post anything in Instagram? For example, if you have posted a photo in Instagram, then you will notice that 80% to 90% the likes, the engagement you are getting in your Instagram account is from your followers only. Only 10 to 15% people are from explore or a new people that they have visited your Instagram account. But in case of reels, if you are posting any reels on Instagram, you will find more than 50% people are watching your reels who are not following you. I mean, 50% audience are new. Okay, so more new people are visiting to your Instagram account only when you are posting a reels. This is because Instagram is focusing only on reels. Even they have removed their video features, IGTV features. Now they have come up with only one video platform, that is reels. So now what to do? See what you can do. For example, if you are posting a photo, you can select a photo, add a music and post it in a reels. Or else what you can do, if you have any photo, take a photo and use any editing app and make that photo into a video of 1 seconds or 2 seconds. Just make a video and you can post that photo in a video format, so you will get more reach, more engagement in that. So if you don't know how to do this, I will add a video link in my video description, so you can know how to convert photo into a video. So this is how Instagram algorithm is working. Yeah, you as per 2022 you have to more focus on reels. So this will help you to grow your Instagram account very faster in 2022. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.